Hey loves, this is Shrija. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how I made these cute macrame coasters. What you're gonna need is a macrame cord, a scissors and a scale to measure the length. I'm using a cord of 3 mm thickness. So to cut the cords, you'll need one cord of 60 inches and 5 cords of 30 inches each. Keep some extra macrame cords handy because you're gonna need to add to fill the gap when we are making the spiral. First we are going to take the longest cord which we have cut to 60 inches and take the very end of the cord and make a spiral like this. Now we are going to take the 5 cords of each 30 inches, fold it into half and make a loop like this. We are going to add these 5 cords to this spiral using a reverse lark's knot, which is also known as a cow hinge knot. Instead of going over the cord, we are going under it and pulling. So when you have all 5 cords attached like this, what we are going to do is basically tighten them so that they spiral around. Here you're going to take the long side of the cord, not the short one but the long one, and then pull it tight. This will pull a circle through the knots and spiral them. This long cord is going to be our anchor cord. This is never going to loop around anything, but this is always going to be the one that everything else loops around. I'm going to do that by making double half hinge knot. Take the short cord, go underneath the anchor cord, make a 4 on top of it, and then pull the end to the loop plate. This is the first half of the hinge knot. We are going to repeat the same to finish the knot. Make a 4 on top of it and then pull the end of the cord through the loop and pull it tight. Similarly, we are going to loop all the short cords around this anchor cord and create a spiral. Cow hinge knot. Whenever you find a gap or you find it difficult to reach to the next cord, you can add a new piece of cord. Now continue making the half hinge knot with the other cords. While going around, when you find another gap, you can just add another piece of cord, but you can shorten the length of the cord because it doesn't have to do the work the other cords did. That way you can save the extra cords. So we have to just go around making these double half hinge knots. Whenever you find a gap, you just add an extra cord, and that's all it is. Now I have the desired diameter of my coaster for my cups. I'm going to secure the anchor cord by pulling it backside the coaster. I think knotting this is the best way, and then cut off the rest. The first strand that we started with right in the center, I'm trimming it that too because it's really secure. We can't do anything with that. Next, we are going to cut these extra strands into a circle and make them all the same length. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to brush it out. I'm just using my comb to brush it out. Now when everything is brushed out, I'm just going again with the scissors and trimming the edge to the exact length I want them. That's all guys. I think they are looking so cute. I hope you guys will try this. Thank you for watching, loves. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay loved, stay home. Love you all. Bye.